In today's video, we'll be going over another month of Scentbox. I'm very excited for this one. This is another premium scent, which I have 2 premium scents each month from Scentbox. If you guys know anyone that loves designer fragrances or various scents in general, go ahead and share this video with them so they can gain some of this value as well. Let's go ahead and get into today's unboxing and see exactly what we've got. First of all, when you open it up, you have the coupon for 15% off on full-size bottles, and use that code right there. But I have a code down in the description below where you will get a free fragrance and I will also get a free fragrance. So let's go ahead and get into this one. This one, of course, is the Seafoam Green color, which is the Black Opium Floral Shock. Now, if you get Black Opium Floral Shock, it may not be in this same exact container, but it will be in another case just like this, whether it be red or silver or this green. And I'm not sure if you can actually choose what color you receive. I think it's just random, but definitely love this color. Very excited about this one. Let's go ahead and smell it though. I'm gonna do a small nostril test just to smell what it smells like before I spray it. And then I'm going to do a full review on a t-shirt that I have laying to the side here and go ahead and give you my actual review. Now, right off the gate, this one is very light. This one is a very light scent and can tell that it's very floral as well. Definitely see why it gets the name Floral Shock. Let's go ahead and move all this to the side and put a t-shirt right here. And this one is a t-shirt that I got from ThreadBeast. This one is Sound Clash. I don't know if you guys can see Sound Clash, and is made by a company called Nixon. If you guys don't know about ThreadBeast, I have plenty of those unboxings as well, so check those out if you guys haven't already. Let's go ahead and give it a little dousing here. All right. There's a good spritz. And as always, I like to just give it a little rub. I like to rub it in real good and waft it out. Oh my goodness. Definitely, I have unboxed, I think, 7-8 scents so far, and this is my favorite one. This one is Yves Saint Laurent Black Opium Floral Shock. Definitely one of my favorite scents. Oh my goodness, guys. Definitely a 10 out of a 10. Oh my goodness, it smells amazing. And I actually believe that this one is unisex, but I think it's actually leaning toward the feminine side for me, definitely. But I'm definitely going to be wearing this one myself and believe that I can use this one. This one will turn heads. Either way you go, oh my goodness, I can't stop smelling it, guys. That Yves Saint Laurent Black Opium is amazing. I don't even remember what it is that makes it smell that good. So I'm actually going to pull it up on Scentbox, and we're going to go over the Yves Saint Laurent Black Opium a little bit more in depth, because this is such an amazing fragrance, but I don't know exactly what is making it smell that good, guys. Oh my Lord. Oh, I could sit here and smell it all day. This could be the longest video that I have ever created just because of how amazing that smells. And as you can tell, if you don't like a scent, there are free exchanges, and that is a new addition to Scentbox. So definitely cool. If you do not like it, you can actually return it nowadays. So awesome right there. But I love it and really, really wish that I would have known how good it would have smelled, because I would have just went ahead and bought the full bottle. But I might definitely be using this 15% off coupon to get the full-size bottle of the Black Opium Floral Shock. But let's go ahead and head on over to Scentbox, like I said, before this video is way too long. And we'll go ahead and go a little bit more in depth and see exactly what makes the Black Opium Floral Shock smell so good. Here we are on Scentbox.com. I'm actually a mobile creator, so I'm going to have to do this via my phone. But here we are looking at the Black Opium Floral Shock by Yves Saint Laurent. This has 566 ratings and it is at 4.5 stars so far. Yves Saint Laurent announced a new edition of the popular Black Opium collection launched in early 2017 called Black Opium Floral Shock. The new edition Black Opium Floral Shock is announced as a fresher version with more floral and green aromas, and the first one to possess the iced coffee accord. The new composition belongs to the family of fruity florientals and shocks with its zesty lemon opening, white floral character in the heart with dominant gardenia, and iced coffee and white musk at the base of the perfume. The freshness of lemon, bergamot, and pear in the top notes mixed with freesia is the first floral accord of the composition. The heart includes white flowers of golden gardenia, orange blossom, and a solar floral accord. The base ends with iced coffee, white musk, and mineral accord with woody amber. Perfumers Nathalie Lorson, Marie Salamain, Olivier Cresp, and Honorine Blanc collaborated on this creation. So that is overall fantastic, guys. I see that there's definitely a lot of people who love this scent, and I actually bought it for myself, but it does claim to be a female scent and has the female symbol up at the top, just right there above the Yves Saint Laurent as well. So that's actually pretty cool, but I honestly believe it's more of a unisex scent because it smells fantastic. You can wear it, your old lady can wear it, vice versa, either way, guys. But I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Unboxing for more products with real life applications. Hit that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads, and as always, keep it real.